Sanjay Srivastava and welcome to my YouTube channel Let's Learn, where we are covering Splunk tutorial, and here we are talking about what is Splunk. So Splunk is a very useful tool for your organization system generated data. Splunk take the data from system and device. It would be structured, unstructured, machine generated, human generated, all of it and all of it and allow you to create a real value of data in rich and formal report, live dashboard and triggered alert. Let's consider an organization might have some assets. Live various cloud provider, Office 365, Azure service. It might have some big data solution built with a GCP and some infrastructure in AWS. They also have some on-premises assets like laptop, desktop, physical server, physical storage, network device, and so on. Each and every system or device generated the data as a log. Log is coming request or message users and other system. No one care about it and look at it. Here is the problem. An IT professional like us searching thousands of data and sometimes even no any logs entry found to try to investigate the situation. So here is the better way to set up Splunk to capture the system generated data, then make it human readable format and make it seen live dashboard read report of triggered alert. It can be typical data generated by machine like any of your on server, physical server, IoT device, Azure, AWS, and many more. The data they generated look like encrypted, or we can say it's not human friendly. We can set up Splunk to take at some pattern in the data called regular expression and then leave this pattern on their field. Splunk take on this field and intelligence system show us the data in the understandable way, and now the class is all about the same. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If your tutorial useful for